Welcome to Happy Fasting Fun. Today we're delving into an important topic that concerns the well-being of our beloved older adults. Fasting for older adults. Is it safe? Fasting has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, but when it comes to older individuals, there are unique considerations that must be taken into account to ensure their safety and well-being. Aging brings about changes in metabolism, nutritional needs, and overall health status. As we explore the compatibility of fasting with older adults, it's essential to approach the subject with caution and understanding. While fasting might offer advantages, it's crucial to prioritize the health and comfort of our older loved ones. First and foremost, is fasting safe for older adults? The answer lies in the individual's health, medical history, and current condition. Older adults often have a higher likelihood of chronic health conditions, medications, and unique nutritional requirements. Fasting might not be suitable for everyone in this demographic due to these factors. However, under the guidance of healthcare professionals, fasting can be adapted to be safe and beneficial for certain individuals. What are the potential benefits of fasting for older adults? Some research suggests that intermittent fasting might have positive effects on metabolic health, blood sugar levels, and even cognitive function. However, these potential benefits may vary depending on an individual's health and lifestyle. So, what should older adults and their caregivers consider before embarking on a fasting journey? Firstly, consulting a healthcare professional is paramount. A doctor or registered dietitian can evaluate an older adult's medical history, medications, and nutritional needs to determine whether fasting is a safe option. It's crucial to prioritize health over any potential benefits. Nutrition is key when it comes to older adults. Adequate intake of essential nutrients is vital for maintaining muscle mass, bone health, and overall well-being. Fasting should never compromise the nutritional requirements of older adults, and any fasting regimen should be carefully planned to ensure proper nutrient intake. Hydration is a critical consideration. Older adults are often more susceptible to dehydration, and fasting can increase this risk. Maintaining hydration levels is essential, especially during fasting hours. Adequate fluid intake must be emphasized. Tailoring fasting approaches to older adults. Prolonged fasting might not be suitable for older individuals. Shorter fasting windows or modified fasting methods under medical supervision could be safer and more appropriate. Medication management is crucial. Many older adults take medications for various health conditions. Fasting could potentially affect how these medications are absorbed and metabolized. Healthcare professionals should review medications to ensure they're compatible with fasting. Energy levels and well-being. Fasting might impact energy levels, particularly in older adults who already have reduced energy reserves. Listening to the body and prioritizing comfort is essential. In conclusion, is fasting safe for older adults? The answer is nuanced. Fasting can be safe and beneficial for some older individuals under appropriate medical supervision and with modifications to suit their unique health needs. It's important to approach fasting with caution and prioritize health, nutrition, and hydration. Remember, aging is a beautiful journey that deserves respect and care. If you or someone you know is considering fasting as an older adult, consult with a healthcare professional to ensure a safe and supportive approach. Thank you for joining us on this informative episode of Happy Fasting Fun. Let's continue to explore how fasting, when approached mindfully and responsibly, can contribute to well-being across all stages of life.